Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Ford Ranger XL Extra Cab Chassis Ute, stock reference number 4729. This shape runs from the 6th month 2011 and is the current shape. There's a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left door has one large dent. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, module and neck. Right rear 16-inch factory steel rim with a ball tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, single stack head unit, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and we have the rear seat and jack and tool kit. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.